Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have an awesome H&M clearance haul. I wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible because I am so excited about this one. I'm blown away. I cannot believe the finds that I found at H&M. Now I have found some really awesome H&M clothing pieces. We pretty much have this sale every year, about twice a year, where they just basically almost want to give their clothes out for free because their prices are unbelievable. So guys, I am so excited. Like, as you can tell in my voice, I'm just so excited. I can't contain myself. I wanted to show you guys what I found at H&M. But before we begin, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. I do post 5 days a week, so I would love to have you. And also do not forget to click the notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I would love to have you guys. Why not join me? Let's get right into it. So the first clothing piece that I want to talk to you guys about is this one right here. This is a leopard romper and it has pockets. My personal opinion, I feel like all rompers should have pockets. I just think like it completes the look. So whenever I find a romper and it doesn't have pockets, if I really love it, I'll get it. But if it doesn't, it's kind of like a deal breaker because it's a no-no. And guess how much I paid for this? This was $4, guys. $4. That is insane. I just absolutely love it. If you guys don't know, look at this. Like, look at these pockets. Oh, you guys can't see. I'm gonna show you guys somewhere here. But guys, like, is this not perfect? If you guys don't know, I love leopard. Either it's in trend or not, I feel like leopard will always be that print that is seasonless. It is timeless. No matter what, it's just amazing. You can wear it any time of the year. Obviously, this is a romper, so I wouldn't wear it in the winter time. This is such a great deal, and I can't believe it. And let me tell you guys, they have so many clearance items going on right now. A lot of their pieces go from like $4 to $7. That's like the most I've seen is $7. But a lot of things are $4. I even seen some things for $1. It is mind-blowing. So I love that. I also picked this one up. So these are pants and I absolutely love it. If you guys don't know, this print is like so in trend right now and I cannot believe that I found it. It is so gorgeous. It's full length and this one was originally $17.99 and I got it for $4. Oh my gosh. Now this is a size 6. I'm typically a size 4 or a 6, just depending on the style of the pants or the brand. But guys, this is amazing. I absolutely love it. I love this print. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I freaking love this print. I just think it's perfect, and for the summertime it is gorgeous. And to be honest with you, I don't think I'll ever get rid of it because I just think it is perfect, like with a white tank, and just wear it with some sandals. And it does have a belt right here. Now I will say that they do also have their sale items online, but one thing I did notice is the same things that I seen at the store they do have online, but the weird thing is that online is not as great as a deal as in the store. So the one thing that I want to show you guys that I did see online as well is this one right here. So this one is a puff sleeve white top, and this one is $4 as well. Original price $9.99, but online it's on clearance for $7, I believe. So it's not like the great deals that you find in stores. So it is kind of a bummer, to be honest with you, and it does suck the fact that they do not have the same prices online as they do in stores. So if you want to get the really great deals, unfortunately you would have to go to H&M at their stores and not online, because online you're gonna be like, what is going on? But yeah guys, this one I absolutely love. This is so gorgeous. If you guys don't know, like the puff sleeve is like so in trend right now and I'm digging it. I'm loving it. It is so gorgeous. And like I said, I cannot believe I got this for $4. And this one I got it in a size medium because I am very heavy chested, guys. I'm a 34 triple D, just for reference, in case you guys are wondering. So that way you kind of get an idea if you're looking for it, how it would look on you. But this is actually really awesome. It is very stretchy right here, but the puff sleeves are not stretchy, but it doesn't really matter. It does fit really great. I really love it. So for $4, I could not pass that up. The next item that I found is this beautiful dress. Guys, I can't believe this. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, this is gorgeous. Okay, so I found this really beautiful dress. It is long sleeve. And I love this one so much. Now I got this in a size small, and as you can see that red tag right here, this was originally $17.99 and I got it for $3. Like, what? I have found really great deals at Walmart, and you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, I do a lot of Walmart fashion hauls, but whenever H&M has these deals, I just like go to it and I dig in. I make sure I get everything that I like because you can't beat this. If you guys are trying to buy gifts for your loved ones around Christmas time, why not get it around this time where the prices are amazing? You can just take the red tag off. They will never know you paid $3. And honestly, it doesn't really matter. It's a thought that counts, right? So to me, I always been that way, where it's something I really love. I like to give that person the same thing that I love, that I know that, well, hopefully they love it. They're into that style. And if I can get it for $3, why not? To me, it's not so much about the price. It's about the way it looks, and that's all that matters. So guys, I love this. I can't believe it. It's so flattering. This thing is so amazing. It's super stretchy, guys. Like, super stretchy. I'm usually a size medium in this because I'm very curvy, but this actually fits perfect in a size small. The next item, this was the only one that was a little bit more than the other ones, and it is these workout pants right here. I absolutely love this. I've been wanting some workout pants like this for a long time. I just think they are really beautiful and summery. I love the color, and the design is really beautiful. Now, I've seen designs like this before, and I don't think they look that great. Like, I feel like they kind of look like cheap, or they look like cheap quality. But this actually looks really beautiful. In the back, it has this gray right here, and I just feel like everything is very flattering. It makes you look snatched and cinched in, and it makes you feel comfortable because I'm gonna use these for working out. So I really love these guys. Now, this was originally $29.99 and I got it for $6.99. Now that is a great deal, and this was in a size small. It does fit me really well. I usually get workout pants in a size small, sometimes in a medium. It just depends. The quality is amazing. I love the fact that it has this thick band right here, and when you put it on, you just feel like secure. I just love it, guys. So it is full length, and I always like my workout pants to be full length. I don't like capris. I'm not into capris. I feel because I'm very petite, I'm 5 feet, it just looks kind of weird on me, and it makes me look more short and kind of boxy, if you guys know what I mean. But these I love, guys, and like I said, for $6.99, you cannot beat it. I just want to say this quickly, guys. I do own a Lululemon workout pants in like a color red. They're really beautiful, awesome quality, but they are really expensive. Now, I did not pay for it. I did receive them as a gift, and I'm not that type to buy a pair of workout pants for $100. Yes, they're amazing. They're great quality. They do last you pretty much like forever. I have washed them multiple times. They do not fade. They stay the way they are. They look like new. They're amazing, amazing, amazing. But for like $100 for a pair of pants, it's not worth it, guys. At least for me, I don't think so, unless like you're super rich and you have money to like throw up in the air. Maybe, I don't know. But guys, this is a great quality just like it. So it does really remind me of my Lululemon pants, but it was $7. Originally, yes, $30, but guys, $7, H&M is doing it right. The last item I wanted to show you guys is actually an accessory, and this is something that I actually been wanting for a while now. I seen Madison Payne on YouTube here. She does YouTube videos, and she has this similar necklace that she's been wearing a lot, and I've been wanting something like this for a long time. I actually found one like this similar at Express, but it was really expensive. It was like $30, and I'm not that type to pay $30 for custom jewelry. No, thank you. Okay, this was originally $7.99 and I got it. It says 50% off, so this was $4. It comes in these 2 chains, so you get this really beautiful chain, which is very like like it's just very modern, but it's really pretty. Like it just is so flattering. And I've been wanting to get something like this, like a disc earring necklace like this. I just think this layered looks so pretty, guys. Like look at that, it's so pretty. I think it's perfect for the summertime and I just love it. Now I will say this, the store that I went to, the H&M store that I went to, they do not really carry jewelry there, which is kind of strange. But there is another H&M that I do go to, and I didn't go to that one this time, but I'm thinking of going there because I do know, since they're having like this crazy sale, I do know that their jewelry is probably like $2, $1, $3. I've been to many of these H&M stores where whenever they have these sales, and their jewelry is like literally like $1 to $3 the most. It is just mind-blowing. There was one time, the last time I went to an H&M, and they had like a crazy jewelry sale. Most of their jewelry was for like $1, the most was $3. Literally, like they had a huge rack of just all clearance. It was just amazing. I went a little crazy. I feel like, you know, like that cartoon character, I think is Tasmanian Devil, when like he's about to go crazy. And that's kind of how I felt like when I seen it. I was like, you know what I mean? Like I went crazy. So yeah, guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. I wanted to do this video that way you guys know that they are having a clearance sale, so you might want to check out H&M and see what they have. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are watching and you still have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. It would totally make my day. It would mean so much to me to join my channel. Until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.